Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screw that fixes the fender above. Use a 4mm hex key to unscrew the screw that fixes the fender at the bottom. Apply tape to the rear derailleur below the right-hand fixing screw to prevent scratching. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the screws that fix the fenders on both sides. Remove the rear fender. Shift the chain onto the smallest sprocket. Cut the cable ties that secure the motor wires. Unscrew the motor wire terminal. Use a 4mm hex key to remove the wire clamping plate. Use a 10mm hex key to remove the bolts that fix the motor on both sides. Remove the anti-rotation washers on both sides. Take out the motor. Protect the terminal from water ingress. Avoid the disc brake rotor from deforming due to external forces. Unscrew the valve cap. Completely deflate the tire. Squeeze the tire to create a gap. Lubricate the gaps on both sides with soapy water. Use a crowbar to pry out a notch beside the valve stem. Insert a second crowbar into the notch. Use the second crowbar to pry out the outer tire by running it around the wheel hub. Remove the valve. Pull out the inner tube. Take off the outer tire. Inflate the inner tube until it slightly bulges. Insert the inner tube into the outer tire. Lubricate the edges on both sides with soapy water. The arrow on the tire should be installed on the same side as the disc brake rotor. Insert the valve stem into the wheel hub. First, fully press one side of the tire into the wheel hub. Press the other side of the tire into the wheel hub. Use a tire lever to fully press the tire into the wheel hub. Wipe off the soapy water on the surface. Inflate the tire pressure to 45 psi. Screw on the valve cap. Remove the protection. The motor wire is on the left side of the person. The motor wires face downwards. Install the detent washer with the protrusion facing the direction where the person is standing. The motor wires face downwards. Ensure that the chain is engaged with the freewheel and derailleur cogs. Install the chain onto the smallest freewheel. Install the motor. Do not install the motor with the plane of the motor shaft horizontal. Tilt the plane forward at an angle. Insert the motor. Insert the anti-rotation gasket with the raised part facing inward and backward. Apply thread locking adhesive to the bolts on both sides. Screw in the bolts on both sides. Use a wrench to tighten them alternately. Install the cable clamp with the opening facing outwards. Tighten the to-fixing screws. Insert the motor wire terminal. Tighten the terminal. Use cable ties to secure the motor wires and the motor lock wiring harness to the holes on the bike frame. Install the rear fender. Apply thread locker to the screws. Pre-tighten the fixing screws on both sides first. Pre-tighten the fixing screw at the bottom. Pre-tighten the fixing screw above. Adjust the fender to an appropriate position. Tighten the screw above. Tighten the screws on both sides. Tighten the fixing screw at the bottom. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.